Welcome to another Lean Tip of the Day. Today I'm going to be talking about doing a rapid changeover, which is also called SMED, standing for Single Minute Exchange of Dye. Except in my case, SMED currently stands for Single Minute Exchange of Diaper. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you the basic fundamentals of how to do SMED, except first I need my assistant. So to do a rapid changeover or SMED effectively, there's a few things that you got to be good at, because any amount of downtime can make a customer cry, and we don't want this cute little guy crying, do we? So there's a few things. Standardized work, 5S disciplines, and an understanding of internal and external activities. It's supposed to look a little bit like this. And here he is. But the thing is that can't happen if I don't have standardized work, knowledge of what I'm doing and when. And also if I don't have good 5S disciplines. If I'm running down the hall to chase a diaper or a diaper cream or something like that, I'm not going to be effective with my diaper change. Thirdly, if I need to have an understanding of internal and external activities. Internal is the moment that this guy goes down. The clock is ticking, and we're not having any uptime, and our customers are crying. We want that downtime to be as short as possible. So that's internal time. External is all the preparation that I do in advance or after the changeover. Basically, if you're not prepared for the changeover, it can quickly become a show, and we don't want any of that going on. So I want to have everything together. You can look at this as my changeover cart. I've got everything that I need in its place, and I can then do a changeover very fast and effectively. So there's a few tips about rapid changeovers in SMED, single minute exchange of dye, or a diaper, and I wish you the very best luck to experience as little downtime as possible and to make your customers as happy as you can. Isn't that right, little guy?
For more lean tips and sound advice for your lean journey, visit us at leansmarts.com.